How I generated $50,000 with a faceless YouTube automation channel, step by step. Tired of trading your time for money? What if I told you there's a way to build a profitable YouTube channel without ever showing your face? In this video, I'll reveal the exact steps I took to generate $50,000 with a faceless YouTube automation channel. A faceless YouTube automation channel is a YouTube channel where you don't personally appear on camera. The content is created using stock footage, animations, voiceovers, and other methods. The ultimate goal is to generate passive income. This means earning money even while you sleep, travel, or work on other projects. Choosing the right niche is the most important step. It determines the potential for growth and monetization. You need to identify a profitable and sustainable niche. This means finding a topic that people are interested in and that has long-term potential. Start by researching trending topics online. Use tools like Google Trends to see what people are searching for. Analyze competitor channels in your potential niche. See what kind of content they're creating and how well it's performing. Google Trends and keyword research software are your best friends. They provide valuable insights into search volume and competition. Look for underserved areas within a larger niche. These are topics with high search volume but relatively low competition. Consider the monetization potential of each niche. Some niches are easier to monetize than others. Further evergreen niches like self-improvement, finance, and technology. These topics remain relevant over time. Evergreen niches offer long-term viability. This ensures your channel continues to generate income for years to come. The key to a successful faceless channel is engaging content. You need to create videos that people want to watch even without a personal appearance. Focus on creating informative and entertaining content. This will keep viewers engaged and coming back for more. Utilize stock footage to visually enhance your videos. There are many websites that offer free or affordable stock footage. Incorporate animations to explain complex concepts. Animations can make your videos more engaging and easier to understand. Employ screen recordings to demonstrate software or websites. This is a great way to create tutorials and how-to videos. Use voiceovers to narrate your videos. You can record your own voice or hire a voiceover artist. Implement text-to-speech software if you're not comfortable with voiceovers. While not ideal, it's a viable option. Outsourcing content creation is a great way to scale your channel. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork offer access to talented freelancers. Script writing is crucial for creating engaging videos. A well-written script will keep viewers hooked from beginning to end. Ensure your videos are both informative and entertaining. This is the key to attracting and retaining viewers. Optimize your scripts for search engines. This will help your videos rank higher in search results. Optimizing your videos for search is essential. This will help people find your content and grow your channel. Craft compelling titles that grab attention. Your title is the first thing people see, so make it count. Write detailed descriptions with relevant keywords. This helps YouTube understand what your video is about. Use appropriate tags to further categorize your videos. Tags help YouTube connect your video with relevant searches. Create eye-catching thumbnails that stand out. Your thumbnail is the visual representation of your video. A consistent uploading schedule is crucial for building an audience. Aim to upload 2 to 3 videos per week. Building an audience takes time and consistency. The more you upload, the more opportunities you have to attract viewers. Consistent uploads signal activity to the YouTube algorithm. This can help your videos rank higher in search results. Monetizing your channel is the ultimate goal. There are several ways to generate income from your faceless YouTube channel. The YouTube Partner Program, YPP, is the most common way to monetize. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to qualify. Ad revenue is a primary income source for many YouTubers. You earn money based on the number of views your videos receive. Diversifying your income streams is crucial for long-term success. Don't rely solely on ad revenue. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services. You earn a commission on each sale made through your affiliate link. Earning commissions on sales can be a lucrative income stream. Choose products or services that are relevant to your niche. Selling merchandise is another way to monetize your channel. You can sell t-shirts, mugs, and other products with your channel's logo. Offering online courses is a great way to share your expertise. You can create courses on topics related to your niche. Securing sponsorships can be a significant source of income. Brands will pay you to promote their products or services in your videos. Automation is key to scaling your channel. It allows you to streamline tasks and free up your time. Use tools and systems to automate repetitive tasks. This will save you time and effort. Automating video editing can be a huge time saver. There are software programs and freelancers that can help with this. Automating scheduling ensures your videos are published on time. This helps maintain a consistent uploading schedule. Automating promotion can help you reach a wider audience. There are tools that can help you share your videos on social media. Outsourcing repetitive tasks to virtual assistants or freelancers is a smart move. This frees up your time to focus on strategy and growth. Freeing up time for strategy and growth is essential for long-term success. Automation allows you to focus on the big picture. Analyzing your channel's performance is crucial. This allows you to identify what's working and what's not. Monitor key metrics like watch time, click-through rate, and audience retention. These metrics provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior. Identify what's working and what's not based on your data. This will help you refine your content strategy. Adjust your content strategy based on the data you collect. Focus on creating more of what your audience enjoys. Adapt your optimization techniques based on what's working. Experiment with different titles, descriptions, and thumbnails. Modify your monetization methods based on your results. Try different affiliate programs or explore new sponsorship opportunities. Continuous adaptation to the YouTube landscape is essential. The platform is constantly evolving, so you need to stay up to date. Ready to start your own faceless YouTube automation channel and generate passive income? Don't wait. Subscribe to my channel for more in-depth tutorials and strategies. Click the link in the description to download my free guide on niche selection and start building your profitable channel today. Leave a comment below and let me know what niche you're considering. Let's build your success story together.